My people, breaking news. Breaking news. Bele George is with me. The finishing strong governor in action. Mega making Edo great. My people, I would like more to watch this video. Governor Baseki don't start the street light installation for Ekehuan Road. Three boza for my governor. Boza, boza, boza. When they talk about continuity and sustainability, on a teacher will just carry the talk. I beg, make una watch this video and they come back.
Right now, the first street light pole ever on Ekehuan Road is being mounted. We are working with utmost meticulousness, giving room for no error.
Yes, my people. Una don see am. Now the ongoing installation of street lights for Ekehuan Road be this. And I also appeal to our people for those areas. See something, say something. Make una not come go dey vandalize am. Make una not carry motor go dey jam and say na accident. I don't want to hear that thing at all. I don't want to hear am. So the people of Ekehuan are beg. By the time governor don't finish the full installation of this street light, make una monitor am, make una guide am. See something, say something. Now our property. Government money, now our money. Government, the tax when they collect from us, now they do better thing for us. So I beg. My name is Chirime Apostle Alfred Ojo, who you know, sir, the Mobile Street Commissioner. Make una share this video. Bye for now.